Hi, in this episode what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a Captivate Guess My Number game. The reason we're going to do this is we're going to show how to create advanced actions and use a little bit of JavaScript to create an interactive game. Guess My Number is a very simple game, but in doing so we'll end up using a lot of scripts and features that you could find yourself using in a more complex game. So just by way of example, let's go ahead and demo what this game is going to look like. So I've created a demo here, and I'm going to preview this in Captivate. And if we go ahead and preview this in the browser, it'll generate the HTML and the Swift version. And here we have this Guess My Number game. So I've got some rules. We'll go over those in just a minute. If we were to go ahead and play the game, this is how we have it working. It says, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 1,000. What is it? I have over here on the side what the actual number is just for the purpose of debugging. We'll hide that when we actually export the game for users. But we go ahead and enter a guess in. Let's suppose I wanted to guess a little bit high, 900. And I submit it, and sure enough, when I do that, I get the feedback that it's too high. So if I were to click in that box and again say, well, maybe it's 800, and I were to submit that guess, I can see I get the feedback it's too low. You'll notice that each time the guesses remaining is decreasing by 1. So now I've got one guess left. Let's go ahead and actually guess spot on and see what happens. If I submit that guess, yay, it takes me to a screen that says got it and then pauses. If we were to go through this again and click on play game, let's go through and show you what happens if you were to actually lose the game instead. So let's make 3 guesses. We're going to say 600 the first time, submit it, and I'm just going to submit that as 566, and you can see that we've got a 780, and this time it takes me to a screen and says, nope, it was 353. So that's our game.